Namaste. Welcome to the yoga class. So we'll start the practice. So first practice we'll do head exercise. Legs apart, shoulders level, hands on the waistline. Look at front. Inhale, raise your head up, look up. Bend your head maximum back. Body straight. Jaws should be closed and stretch your front part of neck. Maintain minimum 5 seconds. Normal breath. Exhale, bend your head down, look down, try to touch your chin to the chest, but body straight. Stretch your back part of the neck. Breathing normal. Then same way, inhale, raise your head up, look up, stretch. This practice strengthen the neck muscles, very beneficial for thyroid problems and cervical spondylitis. Exhale, bring your head down, look down. Inhale, center. Now side to side. Inhale, exhale, turn your head right. Try to look back. Shoulders straight. Only twist your head and eyes maximum back with normal breath. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn left, look back. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Breathing should be normal. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Now third variation, bending. Inhale, exhale, bend your head right. Shoulders relax, body straight. Only tilt your head with normal breath. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Stretch opposite side of neck. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Now we'll do the rotation. Bend your head down. Start rotation from the right. Bend your head right. Take it back. Left. Then down. Then same 4 round more. Slow rotation. End to end rotation. 2. 3. 4. 4, 5. Then opposite, same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Head straight, hands down. Relax the hands. Now next practice we'll do shoulders rotation. So join your feet together. Hold your hands and place the fingers on the shoulders. Elbows front. We'll practice 10 rounds while rotation. Head should be straight. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Make a big circle and try to touch your elbows. 1, 2, touch the elbows together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then same way, opposite. 1, touch the elbows front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum big circle. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Bring your hands down. Relax the hands and shoulders. This practice very beneficial to remove the stiffness from the shoulders, strengthening the shoulders muscle, and very beneficial for frozen shoulders. Next practice we'll do hands rotation. Same. Stretch your arms, but those who have frozen shoulder and shoulder dislocation, they will practice slowly. Inhale, up, exhale, down rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then same, opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Relax the hands and relax the shoulders. This practice strengthens the shoulders muscles and beneficial for frozen shoulders. Now next practice we'll do spinal twisting. Legs apart 12 inches. Feet parallel. Stretch your arms. Inhale. Exhale, turn your body right, but elbows straight, and don't spread your arms. It should be shoulders level. Inhale, center, exhale, left. Now this practice we'll do rapidly. 1, 2, 3, maximum twist. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Then bring your hands down. Reduce the gap between the legs. Legs slightly apart, eyes closed, and relax. This practice strengthen the whole spine, flexible the lower back. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Then open your eyes. Now next practice we'll do knees exercise. Legs apart 2 to 4 inch. Feet complete on the ground. Stretch your arms front. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly bring your body down. Inhale. Up. Same way we'll do 10 rounds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, knees parallel, 9, 10. Relax. Then hands down. Reduce the gap between the legs. This practice strengthen the knee joints and improve the ligaments flexibility. Now next practice we'll do Trikonasana. Now legs together, hands with the body straight. Look at front. Raise your right hand up. Change the palm position. Inhale, up. Then stretch your arm, but don't bend the body. Stretch arm, exhale, bend laterally, left side. But don't bend the elbow, don't bend the knee. Knees straight, elbows straight. Tilt your body left side. Maintain with normal breath 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, center, exhale, hand down. Same from the other side. Left hand up, change the palm position. Inhale, up, stretch, exhale, bend laterally, right side. This practice strengthen the lower back, reduce the fat from the waistline, and improve your lungs capacity. Inhale, center, exhale, hand down. Relax. Now next practice we'll do palm tree posture. Same, legs together, hands with the body, body straight, look at front. Inhale, raise your arms above your head, interlock the fingers, turn up your fingers lock, stretch your arms up, then slowly raise your heels up. Stretch your arms, but don't bring your hands down. Your hands straight, biceps beside the ears, focus any one point. This practice strengthen the calf muscles, improve the flexibility of your thighs, and improve the concentration. While exhaling, first heels down, then slowly bring your hands down. Relax. Now next practice we'll do tree pose, Vrikshasana. This is the balancing posture. So focus your eyes 5 or 6 feet away from your yoga mat. Look at any one point. Then slowly fold your right leg, place on the left thigh, and then join your hands center of the chest. Shoulders relax. Maintain. Then first release your hands and slowly bring your leg down. Same from the other side. Left leg fold, place on the right thigh. The thigh should be parallel, and join your hands. This posture name is tree pose, Vrikshasana. Very, very beneficial for concentration. Improve the memory. Then first bring your hands down, then leg down. Relax. Now next practice we'll do forward bending posture. Legs together, hands with the body. Then place your palms on the thighs. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up, stretch. Exhale, bend forward and try to hold your toes. Knees straight, pull your body down. Bend your head down. Try to hold your toes. Normal breath. This practice improve the flexibility of your lower back, strengthen the whole spine, improve the gap of each vertebra, and very beneficial for varicose vein. Inhale, slowly lift your arms, body up. Exhale, hands down. Now next practice we'll do knees exercise, Utkatasana. Legs apart 2 to 4 inch. Stretch your arms. Inhale, lift your heels up. While exhaling, slowly bring your body down. But don't bring your body forward. Body straight, lift the heels up. Anytime you can come back, don't force yourself. This practice strengthen the calf muscles, very beneficial for ligaments and strengthening the knee joints. Inhale, up, exhale, heels down, hands down. Relax, relax the legs. Now next practice we'll do in sitting position. So please sit down, stretch your legs front, keep your hands back, hang your head back, eyes closed and relax for a while. Relax the body. Now next practice we'll do spinal twisting Vakrasana. So join your legs together, hands with the body. Body straight. Then fold your right leg, right ankle joint exact beside the left knee. Right hand exact back of the spine. Don't tilt your body backward. Body sitting position complete on the ground. Inhale, raise your left hand up, stretch. Exhale, hand down, cross your knee, hold your ankle and twist your head, shoulders right side. Look back, twist your spine, shoulders as much as possible. Left leg straight, breathing normal. Then first look at front. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, left hand down. Stretch out your right leg. Release your right hand. And same from the left. Left leg fold. Left hand, left ankle beside the right knee. Left hand back of the spine. Exact. Body straight. Inhale, right hand up. Stretch. Exhale, hand down. Cross your left knee. Hold your left ankle and turn your head, shoulders left side. Look back. Turn your shoulders, your head, your spine. Right leg straight. This practice improve the flexibility of spine, reduce the fat from the front belly. Very, very beneficial for diabetes. And look front. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, hand down. Stretch out your left leg. Release your left hand. Then relax for a while. Legs apart. Keep your hands back. Hang your head back and relax. Now next practice we'll do forward bending posture, Paschimottanasana. Legs together, hands with the body, body straight. Inhale, raise your arms up, stretch. Exhale, bend forward, hold your toes, pull your body down and place your forehead on the knee. Maintain. This practice improve the gap between each vertebra, reduce the fat from the front belly, strengthen the shoulders muscles and flexible the whole spine. Release your arms, body up. Exhale, hands down. Keep your hands back, legs slightly apart and relax. And join your legs together, hands with the body. Next practice we'll do Vajrasana. So fold your legs one by one and sit in Vajrasana. Toes together, heels apart, body between the heels, knees together, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. This practice name is Vajrasana, and this is the only practice which we can perform immediately after the food. No other practice we can do after the food. This practice improves the digestion, remove the gastric problems. Next practice we'll do Shashankasana, forward bending posture. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up, stretch. Exhale, bend forward, place your palms, elbows, forehead on the ground. Knees together, body on the heels. Don't lift your body from the heels. Normal breath. This practice name is Shashankasana, rabbit pose. This practice very beneficial to bring the blood circulation in your head region. Very effective for stress, anxiety and insomnia. Inhale, lift your hands, body back, then bring your hands down. Palms on the knees and rest. Now next practice we'll do Yoga Mudra. Stretch your arms, make a fist, thumbs inside and make a tight fist and place on the lower abdomen. Inhale, look up, stretch. Exhale, bend forward, stretch your spine, stretch your head. Then bend your head down. In the final position, elbows should be relaxed. But don't lift your body from the heels. Body on the heels. Normal breath. This practice strengthens the internal abdominal organs, improve the digestion, improve the metabolic rate, very beneficial for constipation. Inhale, first lift your head up, then slowly bring your body back. Release your hands, then release your legs one by one. Relax your legs. Now next practice we'll do on the back. So lie down on your back, relax and rest. In supine position, first we'll do Uttan Tadasana. Join your legs together, hands with the body. Inhale, raise your arms above your head, interlock the fingers, turn up your fingers lock, stretch your arms up and legs down, stretch your toes down. But don't lift your lower back upward. Your lower back should be relaxed. Stretch whole body. Stretch whole body. This practice very beneficial to improve the flexibility, remove the lethargy and fatigue. While exhaling, slowly bring your hands down, relax and rest. Now next practice we'll do Pavan Mukta Asana. Join your legs together, hands with the body, palms on the ground. Then fold your legs, bring on the abdomen, interlock the fingers, hold your shin bone. Then first, while exhaling, pull your legs on the abdomen. Then inhale, lift your head up. Try to place your chin between the knees, toes out, normal breath. Maintain this posture. This practice name is Pavan Mukta Asana. Very beneficial to remove the gastric problems, improve the digestion, strengthen the shoulders and neck muscles. Exhale, first head down, hands down, then slowly legs down, relax and rest. Now next practice we'll do boat pose Nauka Asana. Legs together, hands with the body, palms on the ground. Inhale, lift your legs 45 degree, then hands and body. Maintain. Stretch your toes out, knees straight. Look at your toes. Maintain this posture. Strengthen the internal abdominal muscles. Improve the metabolic rate and fix the balance ball. While exhaling, first head and hands down, then legs down. Relax and rest. Now next practice we'll do shoulder stand topsy-turvy. So first, legs together and hands with the body. Inhale, lift your legs straight 90 degree. Then bring your leg toward the head. Take a support of palms on the back and lift your legs up. Elbows close to the body. Firmly fix your palms on the pelvic, knees straight, toes pointing upward. But don't bring your toes toward the forehead. It should not cross your forehead. Normal breath. This practice improve the blood circulation in your head region. Very effective to improve the concentration. While coming back, first slowly bring the leg toward the head. Make an equal balance, like equal balance. See. Then slowly hands down, then body down, legs straight, down, relax and rest. After this posture, try to relax minimum 20 seconds. Now join your legs together and we'll come to the sitting position. So turn your body right side and come to the sitting position. Now we'll practice on the abdomen. So lie down on the abdomen and relax. Legs apart, toes outside, heels inside, and relax. On the abdomen, first practice we'll do cobra pose, bhujanga asana. So join your legs together, heels and toes together. Place your palms beside the chest, below the shoulders. Elbows close. Chin on the ground. Inhale, lift your head, shoulders, chest up. Look up, maximum up. Your body weight will be on the spine, not on the palms. Look up, normal breath. Face relax. This practice very beneficial to improve your lungs capacity, strengthen the shoulders muscles, and very beneficial for hunch back. Exhale, slowly bring your body down, release your hands, release your legs and rest. Now next practice we'll do Ardha Salbha Asana. Join your legs together, hands with the body, chin on the ground. Then place your palms underneath the thighs, chin on the ground, heels and toes together. We'll do with the right leg. Inhale, slowly lift your right leg up. Knee straight, don't bend the knee. Knee straight and stretch your toes out. Exhale, slowly bring your leg down. Same from the left. Inhale, left leg straight up. Same way. Maintain minimum 10 to 15 seconds from the each leg. Exhale, slowly leg down. We did with the one leg. Now the same practice we'll do with the both legs. That is called Salbha Asana. Inhale, lift your legs straight up. Knees straight, legs together. This practice strengthens the lower back. Very beneficial for sciatica problems and lumbar spondylitis. Exhale, legs down. Then release your hands, cross your palms, relax, legs apart and rest. Now we'll come to the sitting position. So join your legs together, hands with the body. Inhale, up, and then sit in any comfortable cross-leg position. Now next practice we'll do breathing exercise, Kapalabhati. In Kapalabhati, we have to exhale through the nostril. When we exhale, abdomen will go inside. I'll demonstrate. We'll practice first 20 stroke. Spine straight, hands on the Gyan Mudra, shoulders relax. Exhale, abdomen will go inside. Relax. Now same practice we'll do 20 stroke. Okay, hands on the knees, eyes closed, spine straight. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Once again, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. This practice name is Kapalbhati. This is very beneficial to improve the blood circulation in your heart and lungs region. It's improve the metabolic rate. But those who have high blood pressure and cardiac problem, they should avoid this practice. Now next practice we'll do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Everyone can do, no contraindication. Left hand on the knee in Gyan Mudra. With the right hand adopt Nasikagra Mudra. Fold first two finger and place under the thumb. Thumb on the right nostril and finger on the left nostril for closing. We'll do first close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Slowly but deep inhale. Then exhale through the right. Then inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. This is one round. We'll practice 5 rounds same way. This practice very beneficial to improve the concentration, improve the immunity, remove the stress and depression, balance the nervous system, and then more important, everyone can do, no contraindication, everyone. After 5 rounds, stop the practice, bring your hand down. Now next practice we'll do Bhramari Pranayam. In Bhramari Pranayam, inhale deep while exhaling, produce humming sound from your throat and nose. We'll do 5 rounds with the thumbs. Close your ears. Index fingers on the forehead. The rest of the fingers softly on the eyes. Elbows straight. Inhale deep.